Hi, in this video we're going to look at the metronome. And the metronome is quite a useful thing. It's if we're actually inputting any information, we can use this to sort of be at a set sort of tempo. So on these buttons on here we've got like a little metronome symbol, and if we at any stage play our track, we hear this sort of metronome which gives us a beat which we can actually play to when we're inputting any MIDI, and we can sort of turn the metronome on and off like that. So if I wanted to change any of the settings for the metro, we go into record and then metronome, and we can the sort of the basic one, we can sort of change what note it's actually playing, for example, and we could also sort of do a MIDI click through another port and all that. So that's sort of our metronome settings. We can also in record we can also have a count in, which is sort of good. So if we start off with no counting and we start recording, we sort of start something happening straight away. So if I return to the beginning and then go back to record, counting, 1 bar, this will give us a 1, 2, 3, 4 counting before we actually sort of start actually recording. Like so. And we can change, we can have as many these, we could have 2 bars, for example, whichever whichever one you're most comfortable with. So using the metronome, we can sort of have a beat going on in the background, and we can change the tempo of that by double clicking on there. So we'll make it 140, and that gives us a bigger or a faster BPM. So that's the metronome.